Hello, I am Anuradha Sarkar from Rai Boutique presenting you my 7th video. Let's start with the saris. Today I am going to show you some beautiful Begumpuri saris. Sari number 1. These Begumpuri saris, they are fully cotton, 100% cotton, and they are all hand woven. These saris are from West Bengal, from Dhonekhali. There is a small village called Begumpur. From there these saris are woven. Please have a look at the border. The borders are plain and it has got stripes in the body. The whole sari will go like this. And these saris don't have a blouse piece. The price of the sari is 1800. Price of the sari is 1800. Sari number 2. This is a black Begumpuri, black and white. The border, a touch of grey, and you can wear it with a ikat blouse or printed blouse, anything, or a solid color blouse. The whole sari is like this, and the price of the sari is 1650. 1650. Sari number 3. It's a beautiful red color. It's a beautiful red color. Please see the pallu. These are very simple saris but very stylish. This sari doesn't have a blouse piece. The sari goes like this. And the price of the sari is price of the sari is 1800. Sari number 4. The very pretty sari. The matching is very good and a very bright one. Look at the sari and the border. Please see the border. The booties are done in stripes. This sari has a blouse piece and the blouse piece is like this. The price of the sari is 2600. Sari number 5. These are very traditional saris. The border, they are very simple in contrast, and the booties, they have gone in stripe. These are traditional booties, they don't change. These are very, very traditional saris. It doesn't have a blouse piece and the price of the sari is 1800. Sari number 6. Look at the pallu is very beautifully woven. Look at the border is also woven differently with fish motif, and all over the sari goes like this. And this sari has a blouse piece. Please have a look at the blouse piece. And the price of the sari is 3000. Sari number 7. Sari number 7. Have a look at the border, and the whole sari goes like this, all over it's like this. It does not have a blouse piece. It is 1650. Price of the sari is 1650. Sari number 8. A mustard color sari. It's a very beautiful color. Please have a look at the pallu. The border, a contrast border, and the whole sari goes like this. Price of the sari is 1650. Sari number 9. Look at the pallu. And please have a look at the border. The border is done in a very beautiful way, and the color matching is very pretty. And the whole sari is like this, simple sari, and the price is 1500. These are for regular wear. Sari number 10. Sari number 10. Look at the border. And the whole sari will go like this. The price of the sari is 1800. Sari number 11. The booties are little different here, and the border, please have a look at the border. It has got small temples done, and this sari has a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price is 2600. Sari number 12. This is a very rare color. We hardly get to see this color, but very stylish color. The border, and the whole sari will go like this. The price of the sari is 1650. Sari number 13. Have a look at the border, and the whole sari is in plain. We don't have booty in this sari, and it does not have a blouse piece, and its price is 1350. Sari number 14. This is also a very beautiful sari. When you drape it, it looks very nice. Please have a look at the border. This is half and half. And this does not have any blouse piece. The whole sari will go like this. You can wear it with any type of blouse, and the price is 1500. Sari number 15. These are very good, very comfortable saris, as well as you can you can also gift it to your friends. Sari number 15. Have a look at the border. A yellow sari with beautiful orange border, and this too doesn't have any blouse piece. You can wear it with any type of blouse, and sari is like this, and the price is 1500. Sari number 16. Have a look at the border. This too does not have a blouse piece. Sari is like this, and the price is 1500. Sari number 17. This is a very beautiful combination, grey and red. These are all matha part, and there is very small stripes, or very narrow stripes you can say, throughout the sari. The sari looks like this. Its price is 1500. The sari that I am wearing, please see the body, and the price of the sari is 1800. If you like my video, please share, subscribe, and please press the bell icon. Thank you very much.